Okay, I think rather than just going through and changing all the titles, we need to be a little bit more systematic about it. And in the eBay overview page, there's a section here called underperformers. And as you can see, we have a lot of them. We got like over 1,000. So you click on that and you just go through the list. Now this one I already did. So the way you clear it out is just to say, remind me in 30 days. That clears it out. So this one here, it says we got a 67% less chance than competitors of selling it. It's only been 19 days unsold. But look at the title. It begins with a dimension, and we've talked about that. So I would change that. Also, if you have Price Blink installed, it's going to pop up with any lower prices here. And bang, here's one right here. Walmart. So you need to install Price Blink. It's a Google Chrome extension. You need to install it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the title and I'm going to add another source, which is Walmart. Now, Jovalia should know that we're not going to order from Walmart. We're going to order from Home Depot, but we're going to ask them to match this price. So we're going to go into SKU Grid and add that to the source. So let's copy that. Go up here to SKU Grid. Put it in. Alright, and it's going to come up down here. We're going to put in the supplier link, which is that. We don't need to put in a variation because it's part of the URL. Let me just show you. Black finish. So if we were to go over, well, this one's out of stock anyway. Alright, so back to where we were. Yes, we want to reprice eBay USA, and then this is where we put the eBay ID number. And we just leave the selling price alone because I have a default for that. Just click Add Item. Choose items repriced. Doing something wrong. Oh, there we go. Alright. So, and then we need to change this title because it's no good. Anything that starts with a, and look, only 9 views since January 30th. People aren't finding this. And there's a brand name in there, no good. Trademark Innovations, yeah, that's the brand, no good. So this title stinks. Real deal. This was done, I think, before I got on you girls. So get rid of this totally. What is this? It's a patio umbrella. Patio umbrella base. This should go on the front. We're going to copy that, put it up here. The dimension is fine. We can leave it in, but it's going to be later on. Cast iron. And then it's an umbrella stand. I mean, I would put garden structures stands. All right. And let's see if there's anything about 8 characters worth we can put in here. See, this should not be here. This should not be here. It's got to go. I'm just going to leave the 8 things there. That's fine. So we're going to revise that, update it. Okay. And then coming back here, we're going to put remind me in. No. No, remind me in 30 days. All right. So 2 things are going to happen. We're going to get more views, And the price is going to drop because SKU Grid is now going to base it off of this price rather than the Home Depot price, which is more expensive. All right, let's do another one. Just analyze listing. This one's 67% less. It's been on for 24 days. Let's see if we can do anything with this. I can tell you right now the title's no good. What's an 11-inch mouth? People don't search for that. Come on. There's cheaper price, but not much. And plus, I've dealt with these people. They suck. So I would never use them. So the price we're not going to be able to fix, but the title we can. What is this thing? It's a thick-walled decorative vase is what it is. It's not an 11-inch mouth. Blown oval. And then I would put handcrafted glass. Okay. I would almost bet that this has no views. I didn't notice. Also, here, I've noticed this, that what they recommend, just put accept all. Alright? And then, this is not, well, I don't know. This is also a good chance to see if it's on, I'm not going to worry about whether it's on Lowe's. Because we got too much to go through. Just update that. We got time for one more. So this is what you girls are going to be doing now until we clear out all of these. We're not going to do random title. I mean, that was actually kind of dumb on my part to have you do that because we don't know what's doing well and what's not. So again, we're going to want to remind me in 30 days to clear it out. Let's look at this one. 21 days. They're recommending a price of $95. Let's see if we can get it lower. So we're going to go to the actual thing here. This title is no good. Alright, $92.15. That is cheaper. Amazon and Walmart. Amazon we get no cash back, nothing. Walmart we got a little bit of room. I would go with Walmart. So we can drop the price. Someone's asking for a Google verification code. Alright. Everything after the question mark we don't need in the title, or in the URL rather. I need to copy down this eBay ID. And we go over to SKU Grid and look for this item. We're going to add that Walmart source down here. Here is where we put the Walmart source, and we're going to want to reprice this eBay US. Here's where we put the eBay ID. Alright, and we don't do anything with the formula. Add item. So that's the first part. Is if we can change the price and lower it, definitely do that. That's more important than anything. But secondly, if the title is not good according to what we've talked about, and this one isn't, we're going to want to change that. So, yeah, no one's looking for a 600 watt Hydro Crunch. I don't even know what this thing is. I guess it's a digital dimmable ballast. See, only 10 views. That's not getting found. I can tell you that. So let's just, I mean, I don't know much about what this thing is, but I do know that it's not going to be searched for this way. It's a digital dimmable ballast. That's more than likely what this thing is. Put that in the front. We only got 5 characters left. I would say the rest of this is fine. Just see if there's Hydro Crunch. See, there's a brand name in there. We don't. Hydro Crunch is not a popular brand name. So I would get rid of that and put gardening supplies in here. I put put supply because I know I didn't have a lot of characters. All right, and then update. So we got our work cut out for us because there's a lot of these left to do, and we need to do them all. So again, go back here and put in remind me in 30 days, and that lets us know that it's been done. It says 999 plus. We have 37 pages of this. It doesn't count how many. We got a lot to do.